With these algorithms, I think more and more humans are sort of losing when it comes to games like chess and Go and all of that. So, where do you see this going? Because quite a few people are projecting very doomsday situation.
Well, I think that most tasks that can be specified by a human being, so I think that the task of specifying the problem will always rest with the human being. I cannot see that the task of actually specifying the problem will be given to an algorithm. But then once you specify it, and if you specify it correctly, because that is a very difficult one to do, then I think the machine will learn, will outperform us on most of those tasks. And I can, of course, I think personally, when it comes to art and music, I have no interest to listen to an algorithm play music for me. It doesn't really matter what this music is. It's not interesting to me because music and art to me come from humans. It's only interesting when because it's a human that I'm interested in. I'm interested in them expressing the feelings or something like that. I'm interested in a human thing when I listen to music. So I don't think in that area it's really too interesting. But in all of those areas, that I mentioned before, problem-solving areas, driving better, finding parking spots faster, and all of those things, it's this danger that we misspecify the problems, because if we do, in some areas, it can be disastrous. And there will be some things like that. I'm pretty sure there will be such things as that, and they already have been. And they will be in the news. They will be increasingly talked about, I hope. I think that's very important. And then ultimately, there will be also very, very successful ones. And so I think it will be going on like this for a long time. We will try to find out, what does it really mean to build ethical algorithms, right? I think we're even in a searching process to answer that question. And it's not an easy one. It's a complex one, because ethics are different between human beings. We have utilitarianism, we have libertarianism, and we have, for example, egalitarianism. These different schools of ethical thought, and they are actually conflictual with each other. So it's not clear how we're going to find a good path toward algorithms that we can trust, that most people trust, but we are working on it. We're learning it, and I think we are moving very fast. And for that reason, we will make a lot of mistakes, and there will be a lot of costs paid, human costs. But I do think that also in the same time, we're accelerating AI in healthcare, and we're serving people better than ever before. I think precision medicine and so on. And I think in those areas, we will have huge successes. And so it will be both successes and blunders, I would say. And that's how we will be, sort of plotting our path forward.